PowerPoint for Beginners Part 1, the Backstage View. Click on the Start button and launch Microsoft PowerPoint. The Backstage View appears. From the Home button, you will see a recently opened presentation and other presentations you have pinned to the list. To pin a presentation to the list, right-click on it and select Pin to List. To add it to the list, the presentation appears in the pinned list. Click the New button and select New Blank Presentation to create a blank presentation. To create a presentation from a template, click one of the templates. For instance, Gallery. From the Create dialog box, you have 4 options to choose from. Select a preferred choice and hit the Create command to create a new presentation from a template. Click to add text to the slide. You can also search online in the search box for more templates. Click on the Open button. When the Open dialog box appears, select your PowerPoint presentation and hit the Open button to open an existing presentation. The Info button helps you to protect a presentation with a password. Check for issues in a presentation and manage the presentation. Every presentation you make has properties. These properties can be edited to suit your preference. For instance, the author's name and many more. Click the Save button to update an already saved presentation. Click the Save As button to browse to a location or directory such as my external drive, and hit the Save button to save the presentation. Alternatively, you can also follow the same procedure and save the presentation in a different format such as PDF. Tech Tricks GH. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials. You can also click on the Print button and select a preferred printer from a drop-down list if several printers are connected to your PC. You can also do some basic settings before printing. For the most part of PowerPoint, you can share a presentation via email directly in PowerPoint, as well as in the cloud. You have the requisite tools to export your presentation as PDF, as video, a package on CD, as a handout, or change the file type. The Handouts command can let you export your presentation into Microsoft Word formats with a myriad of options to choose from. When you hit the Close button, a currently open presentation closes immediately. Let's look at the accounts. You can manage your account's privacy and change the Office theme, and it will update itself instantly. The same can be done for Office background, and it will reflect immediately. It is time to let your voice be heard through feedback. For instance, you may send a smile if you are happy with PowerPoint's application, a frown when you are not satisfied with PowerPoint's application. Send a suggestion to help enhance PowerPoint. Tech Tricks GH. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials. Last but not least is the Options button. When the Options dialog box opens, extra tab can be added to the ribbon to expand its capabilities. Quite apart from that, extra command can be added to the Quick Access toolbar for quick and easy access to these commands.